Ho'oponopono for me means peace, love, knowing who I am, a deep, deep knowing who I really am. It means loving all my brothers and sisters. Yeah, this is what Ho'oponopono means to me. Honestly, I really don't know. It kept me. I didn't do anything. It's magic. For me, it's magic. I know what depression means because I came from a very deep, deep depression. And Ho'oponopono helped me out of my depression. And I don't know how. I was only using the tools. I attended a class, and in this class, I don't know, maybe something magical happened because something got activated in me, something very special got activated in me, and I couldn't stop cleaning. So for me, it's been magic. It's always magic, because the cleaning is always ongoing. There's no stopping point. I'm always cleaning, and even if I don't think about to clean. So the depression, after 2 years, there was no depression anymore. And I remember I did all I learned in the class. And yeah, as I said, this saved my life. Yeah, I was in the cycle of depression. And as I said, I don't know what happened in that class, what got activated. For me, what was very beautiful is that for the first time, I learned that I have an inner family and I have an inner child. The tools and the process and all that I've learned in the class, I used it. And even in the deepest depression, I worked with some tools, and it was not difficult to use. And I liked it. And this was something in a deep depression that I liked. And this was the only thing I did. And then after a while, I started every day doing the 12-step process. And I repeated always, thank you and I love you. And I didn't know what to love and what I could be thankful for, because I felt very, very sad, very, very, very sad. And it worked. This is what I can say, it worked. And maybe it's different for other people, but for me it worked.